Ever wondered why you might be feeling sluggish or fatigued lately? The answer could lie in a nutrient often overlooked in our diets, vitamin B1. Also known as thiamine. In this video, we'll delve into the realm of vitamin B1, exploring its incredible benefits and how it plays a crucial role in maintaining energy levels and overall well-being. Stay tuned as we uncover the secrets to maximizing the benefits of vitamin B1 for your health. Welcome back, viewers. Today, we're diving deep into the world of vitamin B1, also known as thiamine, and its remarkable impact on our health and vitality. In today's discussion, we'll be sharing three main topics. Firstly, we'll explore the benefits of vitamin B1. Next, we'll delve into how to properly absorb vitamin B1. And finally, we'll discuss who specifically needs to ensure they're getting enough vitamin B1 in their diet. Before we delve further, make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Now, let's embark on our journey into the wonders of vitamin B1. Vitamin B1, also known as thiamine, is a crucial nutrient that plays multiple roles in the body, making it essential for overall health and vitality. Firstly, vitamin B1 is a key player in energy metabolism, where it helps convert carbohydrates into usable energy for the body. Without adequate vitamin B1, the body may struggle to produce sufficient energy, leading to feelings of fatigue and weakness. Moreover, vitamin B1 is vital for proper nerve function. It supports the transmission of nerve impulses throughout the body, ensuring that communication between the brain and various organs and muscles occurs smoothly. This is particularly important for maintaining a healthy nervous system and supporting cognitive function. Additionally, vitamin B1 is involved in carbohydrate metabolism, aiding in the breakdown of sugars and starches to provide energy for cellular activities. By facilitating the conversion of glucose into energy, vitamin B1 helps regulate blood sugar levels and prevents energy crashes. Overall, ensuring an adequate intake of vitamin B1 can enhance energy levels, support proper nerve function, and regulate carbohydrate metabolism, all of which contribute to overall vitality and well-being. Obtaining sufficient vitamin B1 from your diet is essential for maintaining optimal health. Fortunately, vitamin B1 is found in a variety of foods, making it relatively easy to incorporate into your meals. Whole grains are excellent sources of vitamin B1, with foods like brown rice, whole wheat bread, and oats containing significant amounts of this nutrient. Legumes, such as beans, lentils, and peas, are also rich in vitamin B1, making them ideal choices for vegetarians and vegans. Nuts and seeds, including sunflower seeds, peanuts, and flax seeds, are another good source of vitamin B1. These can be enjoyed as snacks or added to salads and baked goods to increase your vitamin B1 intake. Additionally, fortified cereals are a convenient way to boost your vitamin B1 levels, as many are enriched with this nutrient. When choosing fortified cereals, opt for whole grain varieties to maximize nutritional benefits. When preparing foods, it's essential to use cooking methods that preserve vitamin B1 content. Avoid overcooking or prolonged heating, as vitamin B1 is sensitive to heat and can be easily destroyed during cooking. Steaming, boiling, or microwaving foods for shorter periods can help retain vitamin B1 levels. By incorporating a variety of vitamin B1-rich foods into your diet and using appropriate cooking methods, you can ensure you're getting the most out of your meals and maintaining optimal vitamin B1 levels for overall health. While vitamin B1 deficiency is relatively rare in developed countries due to widespread access to fortified foods and supplements, certain individuals may still be at risk and need to pay closer attention to their vitamin B1 intake. People with certain medical conditions, such as alcoholism, gastrointestinal disorders, or HIV/AIDS, may have increased vitamin B1 requirements or difficulty absorbing this nutrient from food. Pregnant or breastfeeding women also require higher levels of vitamin B1 to support the growth and development of their babies. Furthermore, individuals with poor dietary habits, such as those who consume primarily processed or refined foods, may not be getting enough vitamin B1 from their diets. These individuals may benefit from incorporating more vitamin B1-rich foods into their meals or considering supplementation. Under the guidance of a healthcare professional, understanding who needs vitamin B1 is essential for ensuring that everyone maintains optimal health. By identifying those at higher risk of deficiency and taking appropriate measures to address their needs, we can help promote overall well-being and vitality for all individuals. Before we wrap up, share your thoughts in the comments below. Did you learn something new about vitamin B1 today? What other topics would you like us to explore in future videos? Your feedback drives our content, and we're always eager to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.